Jamaica, watch
People
this.
normally ask me, my grandmother have an appetite given that she's 100 years old. Yes, she does. Let me show you what she eat. This morning, she wake up, me give her 2 bananas. She said she hungry. Then my sonar. After I finish sonar, I make a chicken bagel sandwich give her. Wanna see how big the sandwich is? She eat off her sandwich and she drink her chocolate tea. I'm just showing you guys that my grandma, she's gonna eat her food. Okay? After that,
What you say?
The tea done and the bread done.
The bread done. The bread done and the tea done. The 2 of them done.
Yeah, how can I manage?
You need to manage. Yeah, we manage just fine.
then she take her post nap. Then she take her post nap. And after she finish take her post nap, make her a glycerina or with one name. I call all of them ensure. Yeah, and she drink off that. But that's a show me, you know. Right here, so I cut her nails them. I wait till she asleep to cut her nails them because the lady create excitement for me. I have to wait till she asleep. And guys, for the many years I've been wondering why my fingers are so short. But me and my grandmother are at the same length. I almost thought it was a jacket. That's we didn't have to measure it up. But after that, me give her a piece of yam and sardine. And yes, she eat off her food. Then me give her some vitamin C.